Hey, welcome back to Dual Sport YT. And on today's episode, we're going to be doing a little installation for the bike. It's going to be the Acerbis frame mounts. These are a very simple install. They're relatively inexpensive, and they can save your frame in this area. If you wear boots when you ride, a lot of times this paint can get scarred up regardless what bike you ride. We have the 2025 300 Rally, and we're going to show you how to put these Acerbis on this. But now this company does sell, I believe, for most dual sport and or dirt bike type vehicles, I believe they sell a product that'll work. We chose the red to go along with this bike. We just think the red's going to help set that off against that black. We're going to show you how to do this install. It's really quick, relatively painless, and you should be able to do this in your garage. And I think it's a very good upgrade for a little bit of money for this bike. Okay, so to put this side on, it's going to be really simple. We're going to take this bolt out, this bolt, and then our frame mount is going to lay right across this, and I'll show you how it kind of keeps itself on here in a second. So we're going to spin these off. I believe these are 5mm and these are 6mm on the metric side. So all we're going to do is just take these out. So if you reach down and grab this and just hold it up, it's going to be really easy to get your bolt back in. And we're going to put our first bolt in there. We're not going to snug it up too tight. Just get it in there and get it straight. And that allows us to get back to our other bolt and line it up. We're going to tighten these up and get them kind of snug where everything kind of sits right. And if you're wondering about the rainbow Band-Aid, that's what happens when you're out on the trail and you cut your hand and you only have your kids' Band-Aids. So, hey, it works till we get home. Now our next step is going to be a little bit different. So we've got it bolted up, but it does have some movement in it. If you notice these tabs here, these tabs are going to be what holds it in and keeps it from moving. So you're going to have a set here, and a set here. And this is done by the use of the bands that they send with it. And I'm going to show you a little trick that'll make this a lot less stressful to get these on. So in your packaging from Acerbis, you're going to have these larger bands and your smaller ones. And we're going to take our smaller one and we're just going to feed it through here. Now, the trick on this is, if you get you one of these little hook tools, it makes life a lot easier to just do that, hook it around there, reach in there and get it with that. And now it's on there. And now we're going to do the same thing with this one up top. And this little tool will really help you out on this. I usually start one side, get in behind it with this. Now you have that one. And then we're going to use one of the larger ones. We'll be using one of the larger ones up here. There you go. So it's on there nice and tight. We're going to go back and snug up our boat. So we're going to start on the other side. Okay, on the gear shifter side on this, it's really simple because you don't have any bolts to run through this. So this is basically just going to sit on there and fit in place. And then we're going to do the same thing we did earlier. We're going to use our big and small to reach around here and hold that in place. Okay, on this side, all we're going to do is set this up here, line it up with the hole, And then we're going to use our small and large bands to fit around these. You don't have to take off any bolts or anything on this side. We're going to use our hook to reach in there. Really makes it a lot easier. And on this side, it was really easy. Using our little hook tool, we were able to stretch this band around here, and around here. This side takes no bolts, so it went on really nice and smooth. I think it gives it a really good look. Okay, now we've got our Acerbis frame covers on this side. This side is much simpler than the other side. I guess you could say it that way. It has no bolts to go through. It's going to be really simple. It's going to line up here on this circle on the frame, and you're just going to snap it in, and we're going to pull one of our bands from here to here, from here to here, and here to here. And now it's on there, and it's covering up that delicate paint that Honda sends to put on these frames here. So when you're out on the trail, if you're jumping, moving around, slinging the bike, your boots are not going to get up here and scar this up. This is going to protect it, and it's going to, according to Acerbis, it kind of gives you something a little bit if you put your legs against it or your boots against it, something else to kind of grab a hold of to kind of, you know, hang on to the bike. So I think it's a really good deal. And for the price point, I think it's very well priced. And I think what it does for the price point, it's a good purchase. Now, if you don't have a 300 Rally or if you don't have a 300L, I believe Acerbis makes these for just about any dual sport out there, maybe most dirt bikes. So go check that out. We picked these up at RevZilla, and I'll put a link in the description. And I think for the price point, it's a really good buy. So we've got a lot more upgrades coming for this bike. But what we're going to do is I'm going to take this out in the wild and put it back in the woods, see how these perform. And on our next video, we're going to talk about that, and then we're going to discuss the next upgrades that are coming for this bike. Listen, we really appreciate you watching Dual Sport YT. We're working on some stuff for you guys. Probably going to be doing some giveaways here pretty quick. So make sure you can, if you can, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, stay around the channel, and we'll see you guys next time on Dual Sport YT.